Another beautiful day in Jumbo City, with its peaceful, fun-loving, law-abiding citizens going about their daily business. But what's this? A peanut-popping pachyderm is pilfering Jumbo City's prized possession, the statue of Jumbo the elephant.
At last, the final piece to my collection. Jumbo the elephant. It will be mine.
Commissioner, Jumbo's been stolen.
And Jehoshaphat. Are you sure, Chief O'Hara?
Aye, Captain.
Yes, we're gonna need some help on this one.
You mean that dude in Budgie?
Yes, Chief O'Hara, I'm afraid so.
But Commissioner Boredom, remember last time they helped on a case? They destroyed half a city block, and destroyed your police cruiser, and destroyed all your Michael Jackson albums.
We'll just have to take that chance.
Meanwhile, back at Stately Payne Cabin, Bruce Payne and his useless ward Dick Gruesome conduct business.
$3, no less.
$1. Bruce, it's the dude. Okay. $2.
Let's see the money. Okay.
Let's see the flower. Deal.
Good enough.
See you next week, Bob. Aunt Harriet can now bake some cookies. Yes, Commissioner. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. We'll be right there.
What is it?
That's a white phone, but that's not important right now. Jumbo's been stolen.
Holy hernia.
To the dude stairs.
What took you so long, that dude, Budgie?
We got 3 tickets on the way in, and Budgie here wasn't wearing his seatbelt.
Holy squealer.
What did you say, Budgie?
I mean, holy headache, Bat Dude.
You better watch your mouth, Budgie, or you'll be cleaning bird baths for the rest of your life.
Chief O'Hara found this clue where Jumbo used to stand.
Come on, Budgie, let's go back to the dude barn and let the dude computer figure this one out. To the dude mobile!
Right, Budgie. We got this dope from Commissioner Gordon. Now, it says, what as big as an elephant, but doesn't weigh an ounce?
A ton of feathers? Holy bimbo, Bat Dude. An elephant shadow.
Correct, Budgie. Now, feed the joke into the dude computer and see what possible clues it comes up with.
Computer said there are 3 possible hideouts. The Shadow Inn, Shady Shirt Shack, and the Shadow Boxing Shipyard.
That's it, Budgie.
Holy Houdini, Bat Dude, how did you know?
Well, this business card happens to have the full name and address of the shipyard that was down there. This is the same card the joke was written on. That's how I know, Budgie. Now, punch up possible supervillains that may want to try to steal Jumbo.
The villains are Woolly Weasel, Mouse Man, Wormman and Slug, and holy half-wit, Bat Dude. That's it, the Elephant Man.
To the dude mobile, Budgie.
Wait, I want my milk and cookies first. Where's Dwarfit?
Sorry to say, Budgie, that Dwarfit I had a fire up. He wanted a pay raise of $3.50 an hour, and also he wanted his own room, he wanted cable TV, and all kinds of extra things, so I'm sorry. You'll have to do the cleaning up around the dude barn now, Budgie. Sorry.
Holy house-made fat dude.
No bickering now, Budgie. Let's go. To the dude there.
Boy, Budgie, I really wish people would learn to curb their dogs.
This may be a trap, Budgie. Oh, no kidding. I mean, holy high risk, fat dude. Your feed stealing days are over, Elephant Man.
Got dude!
So come with us peacefully now, Elephant Man. You slimy, grotesque, overweight blob of flesh.
Sticks and stones! Get them, my vagabonds! Boy, bludgeon, and bad food. I finally captured you. You will never escape my tube of doom. You will be transformed to icky, geeky, slimy, greasy, slippery, sloppy mess of mush. Viewing that horrible tube of doom. Okay, pachyderms, let's split the scene.
Oh no, it's the Brady Bunch. I think this is it, Budgie. Holy horror!
Could this be the end of the cool duel? Will the Tube of Doom put them into permanent reruns? Will Butt Dude get his wings and learn to play the harp? Will Budgie miss his chance to become a famous movie star and meet lots of fabulous babes? Stay tuned, same dude channel, in 2 dude minutes.